Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some new updates to Thinkific with archiving courses. If you are a course creator who finds their Thinkific dashboard a little bit kind of hard to manage and hard to organize, well, there is a solution from Thinkific to archive your courses. This is different than deleting your course because archive is just kind of parking it and setting it aside and putting it in a vault. The idea really is that sometimes this is really helpful if you think about it, because when you are building lots of different courses and different types of programs, whether they're self-paced or asynchronous or live, sometimes you want to sunset those courses because you're no longer planning to use them, or you're going in a different direction, or the content has changed and you're just ready to put it aside and put it away for good. So this is where archiving your courses is really helpful, because you can put it in a vault and sunset it for the time being, and later on, if you decide you really like it, then you can unarchive it and bring it back into your dashboard. This is great because sometimes as you expand the number of offerings and courses, you need a way to organize your dashboard and manage your dashboard so you can easily find what you're looking for. And as you kind of play with different bundles and courses and names, it becomes overwhelming to look at your dashboard. So archiving would be a great way because it kind of focuses your dashboard into active and current courses and then to the archive courses. This is a great feature that is going to be available to anyone on the basic plan and above. If you are a new course creator just starting out, this is great because now you have the option to archive your courses and set it aside and continue to manage your dashboard and look at only active courses. So now let me give you a preview. So if you are following along, I am in my Thinkific sandbox account, and feel free to do the same and go into your dashboard and take a look. So now under learning products, you will see courses. These are all the courses that is on my dashboard, and these are all kind of courses that I'm playing with and testing out. And you'll see now there is an archived tab. So this is a great way to sort your dashboard between active courses and archived courses. So let's just say I want to take an active course and I decide I'm no longer like selling this automating Thinkific setup course because I've decided that the material has changed and it needs to be updated, so I no longer want to use that. As you can see, there's a lot of courses on my dashboard, and I may not want to use all of them, and I'm going to park and sunset some of these courses and archive them because I'm not looking to actively sell it right now. I can look at this Automate Your Thinkific Setup course product here, and then click on these three dots and then click on Archive. And so it tells me that when I archive it, it will no longer show up here in my dashboard, and it will go into my archive section, and I can unarchive it at any section. So I'm going to say, got it. I'm going to move it to archive. And now I have one course, Automate Your Thinkific Setup, that is now in my archive section. So I hope this is helpful. Check it out and start to organize your dashboard between courses that you're actively selling and putting in the funnel or nurturing, and then sorting it between those that need to stay in the active courses tab and those that need to go in the archive tab, so that you can have a much more manageable dashboard and make your Thinkific so that you can make your Thinkific dashboard much easier to sort and manage. Thanks for watching, and feel free to support this channel using the Thinkific affiliate link in the description below, and I'll talk to you soon.